Are you thinking about getting the Coinbase Visa Debit Card, but want to know more before committing? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll give you an honest, clear breakdown of everything you need to know about this card. Whether you're new to crypto or have been using Coinbase for a while, let's start with an overview of what the Coinbase Visa Debit Card is. Simply put, it's a debit card linked to your Coinbase account that allows you to spend your crypto directly anywhere Visa is accepted. Instead of selling your crypto to transfer it to your bank account, this card lets you use your digital assets like any other currency. That sounds convenient, right? But is it as good as it seems? The first thing you should know is that this card isn't free. There's no annual fee, but there are other costs you want to be aware of. For example, the conversion fee applies every time you use the card to spend your crypto. Depending on the type of crypto you're using, these fees can add up. So it's important to calculate this if you're planning to use the card frequently. On the plus side, one of the biggest advantages of the Coinbase Visa Debit Card is that you can earn crypto rewards on your purchases. You can choose between earning Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other coins, which is a neat feature if you're already involved in the world of digital currencies. Now, let's talk about the services the card offers. Besides regular crypto to fiat spending, you can manage your card directly through the Coinbase app. The app allows you to monitor your transactions, adjust which crypto you're using to pay, and even lock the card if you lose it. The integration with the Coinbase platform makes managing your card really simple and accessible, especially for beginners. However, there are a few downsides to be aware of. The most obvious one is the potential volatility of crypto prices. Since your card is tied to your crypto holdings, the amount you can spend can fluctuate dramatically depending on market conditions. If the value of your crypto drops suddenly, it could impact your ability to make purchases. Another consideration is availability. Currently, the Coinbase Visa Debit Card is available in only certain countries, so you'll need to check if it's offered where you live. And while the card is compatible with major payment systems like Apple Pay and Google Pay, some users report occasional issues with acceptance, especially when traveling internationally. The terms of service for the Coinbase Visa Debit Card are also important to review. Coinbase reserves the right to make changes to these terms, so it's crucial to stay updated. These terms include everything from transaction limits to how Coinbase handles disputes. Should you get the Coinbase Visa Debit Card? It depends on your needs. If you're looking for a convenient way to spend your crypto and don't mind paying the fees, it could be a good choice. However, if you're not comfortable with the potential volatility of crypto, or you don't use crypto enough to justify the fees, it might not be the best option for you. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest crypto reviews and financial advice.